So this is, what is it?
My quiz.
Your
The
quiz.
quiz is, what does Thomas look like? Is he a triangle? Does he look like a triangle or a square or a turtle? Or is he like Henry? Or is he like Percy or Thomas? Or maybe Thomas is the number one.
And I click one, right?
Yeah.
I think he is a square.
And no.
Okay. Thomas?
Bing bong, does Emily look? What does Emily look like? Is she like Charlie or is
Which
she?
one is Charlie? You have to point.
Is she like Charlie or is she like Donald and Douglas or is she like Donald or is she like a diamond or is she a triangle or is she a lemon or is she Curious George from George or is she Edward? Is she like Edward Sandra or is she like Henry Sandra?
What's that?
Is she like a bubble or is she like or maybe she's just green?
Who's that?
That's Emily's face.
How about that?
That's a circle.
Okay, I think she is like this one.
No, that
This
is
one. Sorry, this one. She's like this one.
No.
She's like Curious George.
No.
What is the right answer? I don't know.
No, you have to
She's like green.
Bing bong.
Yuppie.
I'll make the next quiz on a different page. Quiz of Victor. Is Victor like the Flying Scotsman? Duck from Thomas? Or is he Superman? Or is he Duncan? Like Duncan, or is he like the Polar Express, or is he like Mickey from Disneyland, or is he like Molly, or is he Molly? Is he like Molly the Engine, or Nebel, Rusty, James? This is a mistake. Or is he like Toby? Or is he like... Oh my, I'm not finished writing.
Who's this?
No, my, I should show Dollar Engine this style. I'm red for sure.
And again, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.